Okay, good morning, my dear. Today we discuss the day 11, part 1. Day 11, part 1, chapter is the polynomial. In our last class, we discussed type of the polynomial according to degree and according to term. According to term, you know that monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, and according to degree, linear polynomial, constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. Today we discuss zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Suppose Px is a polynomial a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 and so on. In the same way, a n minus 1 x to the power x plus a n is a polynomial if here all the coefficient a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an minus 1, an be 0. In any polynomial, if all the coefficients are 0, then it is called the zero of the polynomial. Then by which way you can define? If all the coefficient of polynomial be 0 is called zero of zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Such that by this way you can define the zero polynomial. Zero polynomial denoted by zero. It means if here suppose a polynomial px a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1 and so on, if a0, a1, a2 and a3 all are 0, that means px is equal to 0. It is called the zero polynomial. The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, then after here you got 1 Newton coefficient. Then we discuss the coefficient. See, coefficient is a real number. Here, what? Coefficient is a real number which multiplies with the variable. See, here in this polynomial a0, a1, a2, an minus 1 and an are the real number and it is multiplied with the variable x to the power n, x to the power n minus 1, x to the power n minus 2, x to the power and so on. Clear? That means if you want to define the coefficient, then you say a real number, or simply you say constant multiplied with variable is called coefficient. Suppose in any question px is equal to 3x square minus 5x to the power 3 plus 6 y to the power 7. Clear? And in the question asked what is the coefficient of highest power of given variable. Clear? Then you see in this polynomial, then first we check what is the variable of the polynomial. Then you see in px, it means the variable of the polynomial in x. Then we can check the highest power of x. Here the highest power of x is 2 and x to the power 3. Then highest power of x is x to the power 3 and their coefficient is minus. It means coefficient may be, you see, coefficient may be plus or minus sign. Here the coefficient of highest power, coefficient of highest power is minus 5. Here you can't say the coefficient of highest power is 6 because here y to the power 7 and x to the power 3. Here highest is 7, but this polynomial is in variable x, that's why this is behave like a constant. Here then we define the coefficient, then after we define the equal polynomial. Equal polynomial. Suppose you have two polynomials. One polynomial is p1x is equal to a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 so on plus an minus 1 x to the power n plus an. And another polynomial is p2x here. Then in p2x, if it is b0 x to the power m plus b1 x to the power m minus 1 plus b2 x to the power m minus 2 and so on, b m minus 1 x to the power m plus bm. Here two polynomial p1x a0 x to the power n a plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 and p2 b0 x to the power m. It is called equal polynomial if and only if the coefficient and exponent are powers are equal of given polynomial the coefficient and exponent are power of are equal of given polynomial, then it is called equal polynomial. Is that clear? Then what is that? Does it mean? Then here A0 is equal to B0, A1 is equal to B1, A2 is equal to B2. In the same way, an minus 1 is equal to b, m minus 1 is equal to an is equal to bm. In the same way, the powers n is equal to m. In this case, the polynomial are equal polynomial. Is that clear? Then again we discuss zero polynomial. If the coefficient of given polynomial is 0, all the coefficient of given polynomial is 0, then it is called the zero polynomial. Like a1, a0 is equal to a1, a2, and all are the 0. Degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Clear? Why it is not defined? Because in this polynomial there is no variable, that's why there is no degree. Clear? Coefficient, you know that it is a real number and it multiplied with the variable called the coefficient. Coefficient may be plus or minus. Suppose if anyone asks what is the sign of coefficient, then you say the sign of coefficient either plus or minus. Is that clear? In the same way, here in this example, our question is what is the coefficient of highest power? But you see the highest power is 7, y to the power 7. But y is not of the variable, y is not a variable of given polynomial. That's why it is behaved like a constant. Then this polynomial is in variable x. So we can consider, we can check what is the power of x. Then here the highest power of x is 3. Then coefficient of x to the power 3 is minus 5. So we can write the coefficient of this is minus 5. Then after equal polynomial. Then you see if the power means here x to the power x to the power n and x to the power m. Here n and m both are the same and the coefficient a0 and b0, a1, b1, a2, b2. See, all are the same. Then both coefficient means p1x is called equal to p1x is equal to p2x if and only if the powers are same and their coefficient are same. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.